Good morning from Knott's Farm. Really looking forward to today. It's a park we didn't do 2 years ago, did we?
No, I couldn't fit it in the trip, could we?
Unfortunately, no, we couldn't. So yeah, we're back today. We've come on a weekday. So yeah, it does look quite quiet. Just like full of kids at the moment. We are staying tonight as well for Knott's Scary Farm. So this will be our first Halloween event of the year. And we've got quite a few, haven't we, planned? Yeah, so we're doing obviously Horror Nights tomorrow at Universal. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what this park does for Halloween. Already just walking around, you can see all of the different, like say, skeleton there, and all the cobwebs. It's everywhere, isn't it? It's really, really good, yeah. So obviously we're looking forward to the most is Hangtime.
Well, you are. I'm not. Ghost Rider for me.
Ghost Rider? I thought you were looking forward to Hangtime.
Well, yeah, Hangtime new for this year.
Yeah, and Ghost Rider, yeah.
Xcellerator as well, want to get on that.
So yeah, it does look like a really nice park. So yeah, we're going to go around here, I think, and get on to Ghost Rider first of all. So yeah, we'll see you after the ride.
So I got on this first. Yeah, just make our way around the park.
Like the old Western.
Yeah, it's a nice Western themed area. Doesn't look to be a huge park, so we should get it all done in a few hours. It's fairly quiet. And then, oh yeah. So yeah, so on our way in, we asked if we could film in the mazes, and they said yeah. So we'll probably do that in a separate vlog. All of the scare houses here tonight.
Park at 5 tonight, and then we'll let back into the park at 7 PM.
Yep. So in between that time we'll probably have something to eat, get back in, all the night mazes, and night rides as well. Get on this in the dark.
Yes, that was so good.
Yeah, really good. God, I wouldn't like to wait in all this in peak season.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll just keep recording until the station just to see how quiet it is. But yeah, can't wait to get on the likes of Xcellerator and Hangtime here.
I'm looking forward to Long Bloom as well, because that gets great themes for Halloween, and it's got the original like song.
Yeah,
in the park.
That'll be good. Right, it is walk on, which is brilliant news for us. We have arrived a little bit late. We had a bit of a line, but we knew we'd be here all night. Yeah, walk on Ghost Rider. Right, let's get on.
Wait for the next train on.
Right, so we've just come off Ghost Rider. What a ride it was. Did you enjoy that?
Really enjoyed it, yeah.
Yeah, really good, Woody.
As well.
Yeah, I hadn't researched that much before we came to this park, but it's a lot longer than what I was anticipating, and it's just relentless all throughout. There's so many drops on that. Really good.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to obviously riding it at night.
Yeah, I think it'll be even better ride in the dark. Definitely
really like
a top Woody. Yeah, one of the best courses I've done of the trip, I'd say. Really good. Yeah. I think we're just going to head round now to the next course we find, really. It's really quiet, so we'll get everything done before we have to leave for the night event.
Even if it gets a bit busier tonight, I still think it won't be that bad.
No. But yeah, we'll head on round, get to the next coaster. Right, it's time to go on the park's B&M invert here, Silver Bullet. Looking forward to this one? Yeah?
It's nice over the
Yeah, it goes over the lake. 6 inversions on this one. Just making our way around really. We'll just do the courses as they come. I've just seen Hangtime not far away, so we might do that next. Yeah, again, walk on queues. Let's get on, give her a review when we get off. Right, we're just in the queue line now, and I think
we stood there,
yeah, we were gonna go. No, yeah, we were gonna go into that one. I think it was a little bit too intense for somebody. Yeah, all over. Right, they'll clean up and then we'll get on.
Yeah, so as you saw there, we were just waiting to go on to Silver Bullet, but someone was sick. So the guy obviously came over the line and basically said he doesn't know how long it's going to take. So I just thought, well, we might as well get on something else and head back over here later. I think we might try and go on the log flume now. Give that a go because it's nice and warm. So yeah, we'll see you over there.
We've headed over to the log flume. As you can see, it's all been done out for the Halloween season. It looks really good. You say it's a little bit like Splash Mountain at Disney.
Yeah, and it's got obviously its own audio for Halloween. You can hear it now.
Yeah.
It sounds really good.
I'll show you a bit of the queue line.
The song's catchy.
Yeah, it's just a log flume, but it looks really well themed. I don't know where Stacey's going. Where are you going? Right, I'll head on through and then show you some more of the queue line inside. Queue line waterfall. Queue line waterfall. Yeah, it's going up. I think we're only here, we're nearly at the getting on now, so there we go. Right, we're on. Xcellerator over there. Hangtime, do those in a bit. Yeah, can't wait to see what this is like. Impressions of the park so far? It's really nice, isn't it? Everywhere you look, there's just theming.
Really good for Halloween.
Oh, we're gonna get wet here. Got a bit wet. There's Hangtime. Yeah. We haven't dropped yet. Normally you do a little drop straight away. Here we go. Ah! Not too bad. Yeah, really good. He's good. Not bad.
Really long, isn't it?
So much to look at.
On the handrails and keep your feet on the cleats. Do not lean forward, especially during drops. On the handrails and keep your feet on the cleats. Do not lean forward, especially during drops. Hold on to the handrails and keep your feet on the cleats. Do not lean forward, especially during drops.
Here we go. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
I liked it though, the
Yeah.
inside.
No, really good log flume.
You don't get that wet.
No, you don't, which is good to ride again. Yeah, so as you can see from the footage just then, we've just come off the Timber Mountain log flume. It was really good, yeah. There's so much to see inside. It's quite long. The only thing I would say is you don't get that wet.
That was only because it was just me and you.
Yeah, but I was hoping to get a little bit more because it's absolutely boiling today. But other than that, really nice ride.
Yeah, I love the audio, it was brilliant,
yeah.
really good.
I'd say Splash Mountain's still
Obviously
better.
Splash Mountain's better.
Yeah, it's a good log flume. One of the best I've done, probably. So yeah, we're heading around this section of the park now. You can see Xcellerator there. We might go and do that. Yeah. If you didn't know, it's basically stealth with a bit more to it after the drop. Looks really good. And then we'll head over to Hangtime as well. So get footage on those and give you reviews when we get off.
An Xcellerator, as you can see by my hair. Yeah, it was really good. What was it again?
Yeah, we wanted to know how quick it was compared to stealth, so
yeah.
Had a quick look. Apparently stealth is 81 miles per hour and this is 82, but I think stealth's launch might be a little bit better.
Yeah, that's what I think.
I want to ride it again, especially in the dark. It was excellent though. But
I really enjoyed it, but I need a few more goes on it to see what it's like, especially at night time.
But I really did like the lap bar restraints as well.
Yeah,
which
yeah,
were really good. You get great views at the top as well.
Yeah, so I'm going to go on this drop tower now. Goes all the way up there, and Tom will get some footage when I'm on.
Alright, she's going up. Xcellerator going round. Get back on that later. And up again. Good? Yeah.
Your ride aboard the
being on that S&S turbo drop tower there. Yeah, it was okay. I still prefer Lex Luthor at Six Flags because that's more forceful. You got nice views up the top, you could see LA in the distance. Yeah, it was alright. So, Xcellerator going on. So I think we're going to go over now and do Hangtime, yeah? So we'll give you a review once we're off there.
I just thought we'd come and sit down for 5 minutes before we do hang time. On our way around, as you could see, we went and did Coast Rider, one of the smaller coasters in the park. What did you think to that?
I hated it, hurt my legs.
Didn't like it, did you?
The leg restraints are so tight, so every time you're going down the drop, it just bangs on your legs. No, I didn't like it.
Yeah, it was quite tight, the restraints, and not very nice for the legs.
That little kid loved it.
He kept going back around,
about
didn't he?
8 times going round.
Yeah. It's not too bad, it was quite smooth going around the bends, but yeah, the restraints aren't that good. But yeah, really nice day today, really quiet. Yeah, we're gonna head round to Hangtime. Xcellerator Infinity Coaster new for this year. It's going up now actually. And you'll see in a second why it's called Hangtime.
Yeah.
How long it holds you there.
And you hear everyone just start screaming.
Yeah. Get through it.
Just isn't it?
Yeah.
There it goes.
Straight down. We can't wait to get on this one. So we'll get on it, give you our review when we get off. Right, we've just come off Hangtime. Yeah, that was actually really good. What did you think?
I enjoyed that.
Yeah?
I liked the restraints. I liked when you're obviously waiting at the top for at least 10 seconds just waiting.
Yeah, it feels like you're up there forever, and that first drop,
Right at the back as well.
it's brilliant. You get some great air time on that. Yeah, we did back row. Really good air time on the first drop, and yeah, I love the lap bar restraints as well.
I'm really looking forward to it at night, because at night time for Halloween it's red and orange, like the lights, it's got like a light system on it as well.
Yeah, I would say it is a little bit jolty, as most Xcellerators are, but yeah, it was good. Right, so we're heading around. I'm not too sure where we're going now. What are you looking at? What's this one? Well, I'm not too sure what this one is, but yeah, we'll get on it.
Voyage of the Iron Reef, the interactive dark ride. I quite enjoyed it, it wasn't too bad. Obviously you set off in like a submarine boat style ride, and then you go through and you've got your laser guns and you're getting all the targets. It's like monsters trying to come and get you. It wasn't too bad. The best thing was the aircon. What did you think?
Yeah, aircon was good. it wasn't bad. Not the best dark ride I've done, but not the worst either. It's nice to break up the coasters a bit, yeah. But I think we'll head round to do Silver Bullet now that
the 6's gone off it.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll head over to there now.
So on the way to Silver Bullet, we walked past this Calico mine ride, and I've heard a bit about this. You were telling me earlier, weren't you? Yeah. It's like a dark ride, and it's meant to be quite good. So we'll come and do this. I think you're allowed to film inside this one, so get some footage inside.
How many are you?
Howdy y'all, this here is Pete Sluicebox McGee. I discovered this here Calico Mountain back in 1882. You might say I'm the fastest. Don't move too close to that straight float bubbling from these here devil paint bucks now. One blast of oil and hot bubbles whirl the whiskers right off in your face.
Oh, that's nice and mixed. Right down to the line.
And which way to any level of the mine? You can't beat one of those minor attractions up ahead.
Yeah.
Pretty safe too.
Sound effects and
Now,
stuff.
here's a fresh sight to these old miners' eyes.
That's good.
Yes, sir. The calico glory holes made a lot of dusty old prospectors into millionaires, I tell you. That little bit is paying for going from a school
Waterfall there.
Hey, driver, let's have a little light, huh?
Really nice.
Take a look at that. My, what a beautiful sight, I tell you. It ain't often we come across glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites.
We've just come off the Calico Mine Dark Ride. It was really good that. There's some great effects in there. Yeah, like the smell pods were really nice. The waterfalls, all the animatronics were good. Obviously, as you can see from the footage, it was giving you the impression that you were going down into the mine. Yeah. You like that one?
I enjoyed it, yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, really nice dark ride. So yeah, like we just thought we'd do that while we were. Yeah, we thought we'd do that while we were walking around, so heading on over to Silver Bullet now and do the rest of the coasters before we leave the park. But we go back to be scared tonight. Not Scary Farm, can't wait.
Silver Bullet, really good B&M. It was amazing when you were going over the lake and then on the helix.
Yeah,
what was
so
it like?
intense.
So intense on your feet, honestly, like the blood rushes to your feet.
Yeah.
It was really good, yeah, really enjoyed that. We're going to get our photo and then we'll make our way over to where next?
I don't know, we haven't got that many coasters left to get really. Drag you over that way. Yeah, we'll get those. There's not too much longer left in the park. It's now 3:30, so we've still got a bit of time.
Yeah, so obviously it's been a really good day. We're going to get a few more rides in before leaving the park and coming back to return for tonight. I'm really excited for tonight. Looking forward to see what they put on for the Halloween event. Yeah, I like this section over the lake. Nice, so yeah, we'll see you over.
Right, we've come round to do Monsuma's Revenge. I also just got the kiddie credit. Yeah, and we also did Sidewinder on the way around, which was actually pretty fun. It was quite good. I'm looking forward to this one. I've heard good things. I know Stacey's looking forward to getting on too. So we'll get on it, give our review when we get off. Miss Stacy. On for the third time.
All clear. Dispatch.
Yeah, Montezuma's Revenge, really good ride. Just been on it twice. Stacy gone on it for a third time. Just absolutely no queue at all. Yeah, really enjoyed that. It's a good launch. It's quite smooth. Pretty simple. You launch forward, do a loop. Yeah, really good. Yeah, we're having a great day today. Still a couple of things left we want to get done, such as Pony Express and the Rapids. See what else there is, and then we'll leave the park. Right, just on our way to Pony Express, and we've come through this part of the park. As you can see there, this is the blacksmith, and it's got an old-fashioned dress shop. It's a really nice area, this, isn't it?
Good. You've got the blacksmith there.
Yeah, I'll just show them that. A steam train. Yeah, there's a real woman knitting there. All part of the theming.
Show something. That's where you're going in there, in the jail. Locked up.
Yeah, town jail there. Yeah, really nice. Adds to the western theme of the park, really. Get Stacy locked away in there tonight, and all the monsters can get her.
Oh look!
Howdy, sir.
God, if you jump off that, no wonder what you're going to be like tonight.
Oh, he's talking to you. Look. Hi.
He's talking to you.
Are you having fun in there?
Oh, you ain't bad. I mean, I get a lot of folks coming by to visit me. I always appreciate that. Would rather be out though.
How long is your sentence?
Well, so far I've been in here 75 years. So I'm probably
75
doing another 35 years.
Ah, you've got some southern comfort there. Though.
Yeah, that's from the deputy. I'll need it.
Right, let's get around to Pony Express. Right, we're heading on to the Rapids. It's going to be walk on. There's hardly anyone left in the park now. 4:45 and it closes at 5:30. They're starting to prepare for tonight's Not Scary Farm event. Yeah, looks a good Rapids. Come look through there.
You may get wet, you may get drenched.
Yeah. Well, what one were we on yesterday where we were alright, or was it the day before? Can't remember what one it was now.
Was that California Straight America?
No, we got soaked on that. It was at Magic Mountain, that's it.
Magic Mountain, yeah.
The Rapids at Magic Mountain, we barely got wet. So
2 years ago we got covered.
yeah, hopefully we get a little something on this. Right, let's get on.
So we've just come off the Rapids. Not too bad, my bum's a little bit wet. Yeah, it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, all right.
Obviously I can't film on any of the rides. The only ones we could film on was the dark rides. Like I said, we did ask if we could film in the scare mazes tonight. So that should be good. Yeah, I mean we're going to make our way around now to Pony Express. Do that and then we'll make our way out. Yeah, we've been on everything today. It's been really good. Been a nice day. So yeah, we'll go on Pony Express now.
Dispatch, welcome to the Pony Express. Hold on 30 minutes, go right.
Right, so we've just come off Jaguar, one of the park's family coasters. I thought it was okay. You got some interaction with quite a few of the rides. It was quite long. You didn't think much of it?
I just thought it was boring. Yeah. It's not really for me. Like it's obviously it's a family coaster and it's It's really long, like you go all the way down the path and back, but no, it's not my favourite coaster of the day.
Yeah, we also did Pony Express, which was another OK family coaster. So we're heading out now. We're going to do Xcellerator on the way. It's about 5:20, so we'll probably just get that in. And then we're leaving the park. Where are we going to eat?
This is Knott's chicken restaurant, it's called. It's like a tradition of the park, so it looks really nice, yeah. It's just outside the main entrance, so...
Yeah, so I'll show you that at the end as well, the food we get. It's meant to be really nice. So yeah, other than that, we'll give a quick review. What was your highlight of the day?
Probably Ghost Rider, Xcellerator, and definitely Hangtime.
Yeah?
Really, really good, yeah. And also just this area of Ghost Town, I think it's called. It's brilliant.
Really nice area.
Look at there with the horses going round.
Yeah, the horses. Yeah, it's a really nice park. For me, definitely Ghost Rider and Xcellerator, I'd say, are the best coasters here. I did enjoy Hangtime, it was really good. It was a little bit rattly at the back.
Yeah.
But yeah, Ghost Rider was unbelievable.
I'm so excited to go on it in the dark.
Yeah.
I just think at the moment I can't quite decide what is my favourite coaster of this park until I've done a night ride.
Yeah, we'll definitely get a few night rides tonight. As I said, the Not Scary Farm vlog will be a separate vlog. We were out of filming the mazes, so we'll get in every maze there and do some night rides. So yeah, we'll show you the chicken restaurant when we get in there.
Our lovely meal at the chicken restaurant, which is right next to the park. It's really nice. It was about $22, and you got, for like a starter, you got like a noodle soup, salad, some biscuits as they call them here, which are like, I guess, the scones back at home, aren't they? Yeah, and then I've got like a chicken pie with apparently gravy, but it looks nice. Mash. Tom's got the original fried chicken.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
And then we get dessert as well. Apple pie.
It's dessert as well. It's crazy for like $22, isn't it?
It looks really nice.
Yeah, it is a really nice restaurant. So yeah, we're going to finish our meals here, and then we'll make our way around to the scare park tonight. So we'll see you in the next one.